So good morning, everybody, and welcome to webinar 2 on Saturday. It is February 6th, 6th of February, 2021. My name is Kristina, and I'm the trainer with you today. So we're going to practice some English together and some activities. Let's start. But first, I have to say thank you to everybody who sponsored this wonderful program: British Council, English UK, and IATEFL. And especially big thank you to everyone from Bras Tisol Public School SIG. They are all here today, many of them, watching and helping. They have helped with the Telegram groups, and they're doing a fantastic job. And so is Maria, who is organizing everybody. So big thank you from us to you. Okay, we'll have a chance to wave at everybody a bit later when we move on. Okay, great. This is our list today. Please read. Okay, and moving on, we're going to do a warmer, just like you do in class. Okay, this is a different kind of chat. It's called a waterfall chat. So you are going to write in the chat, but do not press enter. Wait. Okay, I will say 3, 2, 1, go. And then everybody presses at the same time. Let's try that and practice. So write a country beginning with C in the chat and wait until I tell you. Don't press enter, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Fascinating. Cuba, Canada, Colombia. Canada is very popular. Cambodia, great. Brazil is not with a C. Chile, yes. More Colombia and Canada, great. Brazil is not with a C, guys. Comoros, I don't know where that is. Those are cities, I think. China, good. That's another one. Colombia, great. Okay, we had a lot of things there. Wonderful. Let's try that again with a different question. So, are you ready? I'm going to write in the chat. Don't press enter. So, a sport beginning with S. So write and wait. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Swimming, snowboarding, soccer, skydiving, snowboarding, soccer, swimming again. Soccer is very popular. Skating, that's another one. There are a lot of sports with S, right? Good, excellent. Very good job. And the last one to warm us up is a fruit beginning with A. So write, but don't press enter yet. Don't press enter. Wait. I didn't say enter. 3, 2, 1, go. Now press. Avocado, apple. Avocado, apple. Canada came back. Lots of avocados. It's good that you know it's a fruit. Acerola, I couldn't see that one. Very interesting. More apples. How about acai? Anyone written that one? That's one I learned from you. Acerola. If it's pronounced acerola, I don't know. I will learn. Acai finally. Yes, that's good. Brazilian fruit. Okay. You have many fruits and vegetables that I don't know. Excellent. So this is a different chat, right? Because I don't want you to copy and go, oh, Canada, I'll write Canada too. Okay, you have to think yourself. And afterwards, we see all of the answers at the same time. You can use this activity in your classes too, I think. Yeah? So it's a different way to use the chat in Zoom or Teams or a different program. Do you always have a warmer before you start teaching? I think a warmer, short warmer is a good idea, just to make the class think about English first before we start. Excellent. Lots of answers coming in. All right, let's go on. Did you see the videos of our trainers? Did you see them? They're all on our website. We're going to learn a little bit about the trainers. Later, there will be a small quiz, just a little quiz. So listen carefully. So we have Lizzie, and Lizzie has had a lot of teaching experience and training experience. You will meet Lizzie later. She has diploma and masters, but she's interested in swimming, but not swimming in a swimming pool. She likes swimming in open water. So in the sea or in a river or in a lake. I guess if she went to Brazil, she would probably swim in the Amazon. Can you swim in the Amazon? I don't know. She would find out. So this is Lizzie at the sea, okay, getting ready to swim. And Lizzie loves animals. Lizzie helps in a marine sanctuary, okay, a place where they take care of animals. Maybe the animal is sick. Maybe somebody who went fishing caught an animal, okay, and they take the animal and the doctor looks after the animal. So here are some beautiful seals, okay, that have been taken care of in a marine sanctuary. This is what she does in her free time. All right, that's Lizzie. Jacqueline, who was here on Wednesday, she has lots of teaching experience too, and training experience, and diplomas and masters. And she also has interests, okay? So she's interested in traveling. There's Jacqueline. Can you see what she is drinking? It's something Brazilian, I think, but I don't know what it is because I have never been to Brazil. Can you recognize the beach where she is sitting? Oh yes, that's right. I don't know how to pronounce it. Caipirinha. You'll teach me later. That's right. And she's sitting in which beach? Very famous beach. It is. It's Rio de Janeiro. It's Copacabana Beach, as I recall. She loves traveling. She loves walking. So she's been to Brazil. She's very lucky. This is where she goes walking now. This is the countryside near her house. She lives near me in Cambridge, in England. Okay. We also have Tarsila on our course. And yes, Tarsila comes from Brazil originally. She has many years experience. She works at Bell with us. Okay, and this is where she comes from. Do you recognize the city? I will try to come to Natal City one day, Francisco. I hope. Okay, yes, so she's from, that's right, Recife, that's where she's from. And she also likes traveling. And this is somewhere where she went on holiday. I do not know exactly where this is, but it looks very nice and very interesting for me. Okay, and here's me with my 3 expressions of Portuguese. Bom dia, su professora, obrigado. That's all I can say right now, but next week I will be better. So I have lots of experience too, teaching certificates, this kind of thing. I really enjoy going walking. I like botanical gardens. I like plants and flowers and animals. That's what I enjoy. Okay, we are all working on the materials and on the courses, but I am the one in Telegram and on Facebook. And I am in all of the webinars because I am the coordinator of this course. So that's us. We have 2 guest presenters, Alistair and Tom. You will see them later in some videos. Now, we have an activity because I did a lot of talking, so we're going to set up a nice activity now. I will just start. Maybe you know this activity. I'm going to tell you 3 sentences. Which sentence is false? Okay. Sentence number 1. I have ridden horses at the pyramids in Egypt. Number 2. Okay. I have drunk horse's milk in Central Asia. You can see in the picture there's goat milk, camel milk, and horse milk. So I have drunk horse milk in Central Asia. And 3rd sentence, I have worked in a stable with horses, cleaning and feeding them. One of those sentences is false. So ask me some questions. Try to find out more about my experiences, and maybe you can guess which sentence is false. So write some questions in the chat and try to guess. You can't guess what. Do I like horses? Yes, I love horses. I absolutely love horses.
Have you lived in a farm?
Oh, could you write it in the chat if possible,
right.
please? Because otherwise it will be very noisy. We cannot hear. Have you been to Egypt? Yes, I have. Let me open up this chat and make it bigger so I can really see everything. Okay. Do I like horses? Yes. The horse milk, it's okay. It tastes like cow's milk. It's not very different. I'm not going to tell you my salary, but I travel a lot for work. Have I been to Egypt? Yes, several times. As a student, also for conferences. I've been working with horses since I was a small child, actually. I always loved horses. Did I want to taste or like to taste the horse's milk? I didn't really want to drink it, but I was a guest, and so I had to drink what they gave me. My experience feeding the horses was good, but you must be careful when you give a horse something. If you give a horse something like this, the horse can kind of bite your finger. You have to learn to tuck your thumb under when you're feeding a horse. Have I ever lived in a farm? No, but I lived near farms, not on a farm. Do I have a horse? No, I wish I had a horse. I really do. Asian milk and English milk? Asian milk, you can have milk from cows, sheep, goat, camel, horses, anything. In England, we usually drink cow's milk and sometimes goat's milk. I love traveling. And yes, I have ridden horses. Yes. Let's see. Am I allergic to some special foods? No, I'm not. What do I like about horses? Oh, I like the relationship you have when you're riding a horse. If the relationship is good, the horse wants to go where you want the horse to go. It works well. I have ridden some wild horses, and it was very difficult. Once or twice, I said, no, I'm not riding that horse. Too dangerous, too wild. The horses, oh, definitely they ride in the desert, of course. Traditionally, Arab people ride in the desert. And do you get tired of taking care of horses? Yes, it's hard work, especially shoveling, you know, with a shovel. That's really hard work. I have ridden a camel. It's not comfortable. Horses are traditional in Egypt there. Okay, very nice. So I'm going to suggest that you now make a guess. Which one is false? Number 1, I have ridden horses in Egypt. Number 2, I have drunk horse's milk in Central Asia. Number 3, I have worked in a stable. So which one do you think is false? Many messages. Number one is false. Number 3 is false. Number 2, it's about even right now, approximately. Okay, I will tell you the truth. This is the lie. I have ridden horses in Egypt at the pyramids. And yes, I have drunk horse's milk in Central Asia. I have also eaten horse meat in Central Asia. They eat the horses too. Shh, Don't tell the horse. Okay, but I never worked in a, oh, very good. Some people got it right. Yay. I wanted to work in a riding stable, but I couldn't. My mother didn't let me. My mother said, it's dangerous. It's dirty. I don't want you doing it. But I wanted to do it when I was a child. Well done. Did you enjoy that activity? Was that fun? Yeah. If you liked it, you can put a reaction symbol up. I mean, you can put all kinds of interesting reactions. Let's see. Okay, some people liked it. Good. Now you're going to be practicing this in your notebook or on a piece of paper. I mean, maybe you have got a little piece of paper. Yeah. Leanna's eaten horse meat. Very interesting. I want you to write some sentences. Okay. Write 3 sentences about yourself, 2 true sentences, and 1 false sentence in English. And in a couple of minutes, I'm going to create breakout rooms. Yeah. And I'm going to, oops, I have to find my mouse. I'm going to organize you in breakout rooms. And you're going to ask questions and try to guess. That's what we need to do. So I need a couple of minutes now. We have 92 people in the group. This is wonderful. So I think I can create 20 breakout rooms. That should be good. Let's make it more. Let's make it 25 breakout rooms. Yeah. So are you ready? Did you write? Shark. Okay. Everybody okay? So I'm going to be sending you to a breakout room in a moment. If you are on a phone, you may have to turn off the chat to be able to see the breakout room. Let me check. And in our breakout rooms, we want to give everybody time. Okay, so you're going to use the hand signals, which I showed before. If you agree, you can go, yeah. Okay, if you don't understand your friend talking in English, you can ask them to translate. You can say language is a problem. Please translate. If you have a question, you don't understand something, you can put up a little finger. It means I have got a question. All right. And you need to give each other enough time, but maybe 2 minutes per person, right? So one person should be timing on a phone or on a watch. And when the 2 minutes is finished, do this. Okay, so one person finishes and the next person starts. I want everyone to talk. Okay? If you have a problem, I am here. So you'll use hand signals and you'll keep the time. Right. Also, last point, if you have the chat, if you are working on a phone and you have the chat on, you will have to turn the chat off, okay, to go to the breakout rooms. Okay, so I'm going to send you to a breakout room. Take turns. Say your sentences. Ask questions. Try to find what is true and what is not true. All right? Good. Let's go.